Here it is, guys. Okay guys, as mentioned in the last video, I'm going to carry on a little bit into this evening on starting this video. It is removing the transmission. Super simple. Remove the intake, the clutch slave cylinder, my grounding kit that I have. Don't forget I make grounding kits for several Honda chassis and other chassis, so keep that in mind, links in the description. But shift linkage and speed sensor in the back, and the starter. Don't forget to remove the starter. And I think there's another sensor, but I can't remember where it's at. But super cake on the Hondas to change out your transmissions. This one's very straightforward. Super easy. It's nothing like my Galante Beast. That transmission's heavy as heck. And previous videos cover all this, what's going on here, for the most part. But let's get back over here. Alright, guess I'll go ahead and start with removing some parts and setting some things off to the side. And getting this ready to drop the transmission. I've already drained it in the previous videos, and I have removed the axles. So both axles are already out. So everything underneath is done besides removing the transmission bolts. But other than that, let's get it done real fast. Okay guys, I'm about to do the starter here shortly, so you guys can always start with your power, but the car is dead right now. It has no power. But now I will do this. Okay. Okay guys, you can barely see it. That's silver. That's the nut on top of the power wire for the starter. Open end will get to it. So I'm going to remove that, and then there's two No, one's a 17, and I think the other one in the back is a 14 for the starter bolts. So I'm gonna get that nut off first. Alright, working on getting the starter bolts out. It is a 17 on this side, and on the inside is a 14.